Are you moving or just want to change up a room? Try this trick. You'll need a calculator. You can use your phone too. You need double-sided tape, a pencil. I like a fine-tooth tip Sharpie, a scissors. I like to have a measuring tape. You can also use the measure function on your phone, and then graph paper. So I'll show you, you can get any size graph pieces that you want, but I like these small ones. So I go ahead and measure out the room, acknowledging windows, acknowledging fireplaces, things like that. And I measure all of that, all the space in between, so I can see where furniture might fit or where I might want to put some art. I count all of the squares across, and I use it and double it. So if I have an 18-foot by 18-foot room, I do 36 squares by 36 squares. When I make my final piece, I write all the pieces that will go into that room for the movers, including big TVs. I draw where the windows are again, the patio doors, so they can orient themselves. I measure the couch specifically using the squares, and then I draw a picture of the rug. But all of that is cut to size according to the size of the rugs, the size of the room, etc. So it is, it would have a perfect ratio in there, so you would know exactly how it would kind of fit. That's the living room for this house. Then for the dining room, I do the same, marking the door entryways, how big the space is between windows, etc. I count the squares again. And in this room, I've done, again, this time I did a black table so they know where to put it. I have a rug with a sort of sketch of the design of the rug, the dining table with the 6 chairs, and the door opening so they can orient themselves. Again, I do the list on the side so that everyone knows what goes into each room. They don't have to put it there exactly, but we know where it would go for the movers, because the less time it takes your movers, the less money you pay. Here's an office, just for another example, in which I had another rug, a desk, a credenza, some bookshelves, a chair, and again, I put where the closet is in this one, and I orient it, and I just tape this to the outside of the room so everyone knows where it's going to go and what it's going to look like. And at the end, you have a finished product. Everybody knows where everything's going, and you can set it exactly. Have fun moving.